Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you about 3 parakeets. Comment down below and press the subscribe button, and then you guys will follow my views. Nana, keep the door closed. Papa, door closed. Nana, door closed. Mom, door closed. I'm not letting one of these birds fly. I'm going to fix my phone. There we go. Okay, the first bird I'm showing you is my oldest bird that I had. Shut up! This is my oldest bird, Jewel. That's my oldest. I had her for a long time. Yeah, I know how it works. This one I never had for a long time. I had about how long did we have Angel? I mean, not Angel, Tinkerbell?
A year.
We had her for a year, and then we had this other one. We had that white one. I'm trying to get this one.
About 6 months.
We had, so I'm gonna have to show you guys. So this is the bird that we had.
Okay, if anybody
That bird.
wants to eat, it's ready.
That bird here. So that bird right there, the bird I'm showing you, we had her. So that bird I just showed you, and the other bird, which is yellow. Those two we had. But how long did we have Angel? Wait, did we get Angel and Tinkerbell around the same month?
Yeah.
So I think about the same month, but Jewel, we had her for a long time. We had her ever since when I turned 4, we had her, I think. So yeah. Hey, so the 2 birds that Jewel, no, not Jewel. Jewel's a girl. We got 2 boys, which is So the one that I'll hold up was a girl. The other 2 are boys. No. So we found out that one of them has a crush on her. One of both of them. So yeah, that one that just flew by, she's the sassy one. This one is pretty not sassy, but this is one of my birds. So yeah. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Yeah, they don't like to say hi that much. Much better. So you can see them. And then I just need excuse me, babies. This real quick. I know it's pretty heavy. I don't know where you guys are. Perfect. So now you can see it. Where's? Come here, baby. Dad. Yeah, they like. Chill. Okay, baby, it's time to go back in the cage. It's difficult to get back in the cage. Okay. Sometimes they go in the cage by themselves, so I have to wait. Ow! No. Put on the cage. On. That, yeah. Dang it. Oh, yeah, are you on the cage? Jewel. Guys, on the cage. Got here. This is a Jewel. So she's in her cage right now. Here's my other one, which is Tinkerbell. No. Yeah. Me and you now. No! Get back here! Oh, this is the feistiest. Should have did her first. Okay, good. She's in the cage. Comment down below and press the subscribe button, and you guys will follow my views. Say hi, babies. Come in. So comment down below and press the subscribe button, and you guys can follow my views.